subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
That's my fear. I don't know if there is a phobia that is that can be called that, but I have a fear of losing my close ones. So गुलाब जामुन is अगर जो गुलाब जामुन है उसके बीच में पिस्ता होता है तो वो दुनिया की वर्स्ट डेजर्ट बन जाती है, बट अगर उसके बीच में पिस्ता नहीं होता वो दुनिया की बेस्ट बन जाती है. I can move my ears and I can also do this. This is also useless talent. These are just weird things I used to do when I was a kid.
We have a quick fun segment for you. It's a rapid fire. I'll ask you a few questions. You can answer them as quickly as you can.
Sure.
Okay. We'll start. The first question is, who is your favorite actor?
Mark Ruffalo abroad, in Hollywood, and in India. I really love Ranbir Kapoor.
One dish you can eat forever.
Mutton biryani.
Can you cook?
Not very well. I can try.
Yeah. Okay. What is your biggest phobia?
That I lose all the people close to me. That's my fear. I don't know if there is a phobia that is that can be called that, but I have a fear of losing my close ones.
Okay. You cannot say Crackdown. I'm already giving you this. So the next question is, what is the last show you binge watched?
I saw Special Ops. To
Yeah.
be really honest,
Okay.
a month back, which I saw in about 2 days. I finished it. I really enjoyed it. And Arya देखा मैंने जो हिंदी का सुष्मिता सेन का शो है. And एक इंग्लिश में शो है Better Call Saul, वो मैं देखता रहता हूँ. Whenever I get the time, it's one of my favorite shows. And there's another show called Blacklist that I really enjoy.
Sakib, what is your guilty pleasure?
Gulab Jamun.
Okay.
Without the
Did you
pista.
eat?
So गुलाब जामुन इस अगर जो गुलाब जामुन है उसके बीच में पिस्ता होता है तो वो दुनिया की वर्स्ट डेजर्ट बन जाती है, बट अगर उसके बीच में पिस्ता नहीं होता वो दुनिया की बेस्ट बन जाती है मेरे. So वो एक ट्रिकी पार्ट है, गुलाब जामुन विद पिस्ता और विदाउट पिस्ता.
Okay. One useless talent that you have.
I can move my ears.
Oh yeah, you can.
So it's a useless talent. I don't know what will come of it.
Yeah, but it is a talent.
And I can also do this. This is also useless talent. These are just weird things I used to do when I was a kid.
Yeah, great. Okay, Sakib, what is your pet peeve?
यार मेरा कोई ऐसा पेट पीव है नहीं. अब मुझे पता नहीं ऐसा मेरा क्या पेट पीव है, बट जब आएगा तो पक्का आपको कॉल करके बता दूं. ऐसा कुछ
Maybe when you discover it, you let me know.
ठीक है.
Okay. Okay, Sakib, would you rather be itchy or sticky for the rest of your life?
What? Sorry?
Would you rather be itchy or sticky for the rest of your life?
Itchy or sticky?
Yeah. If you had to choose one.
Sticky. Itchy is unbearable.
Yeah. Smart. Okay. Second last. If you had to call someone for a party right now, who would you call?
Shah Rukh Khan. I would love to hang out with him.
Yeah, I think that's a good one. Okay. Last, Sakib, tell us a funny incident from your recent shooting.
This is not rapid fire. This is one thesis you want to know. Rapid fire is supposed to be rapid fire, beta. One word answer you want, na? Ask me one word question.
Yeah, but you just answer everything rapidly. Everything that I ask you to tell me rapidly.
I think the last film that I shot was in Gurgaon. I shot it about 15-20 days ago. It's a film called Comedy Couple, where I play a stand-up comic. So I really enjoyed doing the stand-up comedy bits because I, as an audience, also love watching stand-up comedy. And I tried to incorporate whatever I've seen in my performance. I was just having fun with the audience that had come to see the stand-up comedy bit, and I was just trying to improvise. So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Okay. So that's been great, Sakib. Thank you for joining us, and all the best and congratulations.
All the best. Bye. Bye.